Good day everyone, this is Jessica Steele, and today's video I'm going to do the 4.6.1 Scales Integration Challenge analyzing the application and transport layers. Learning objectives. Configure hosts and services. Connect and configure hosts and services on the model of the lab network. Explore how DNS, UDP, HTTP, and UDP work together. Use simulation mode to visualize the operation of DNS, UDP, HTTP, and TCP on the model of the lab network. So let's move on to task 1. The task 1 is repair and test that topology. The server has been replaced. Configure it with the following settings: IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, DNS, enable with the association of Eagle server.example.com without the quotes with the server's IP address, HTTP enable. So let's connect the Eagle server. Use the copper crossover, then connect Eagle server to R1 ISP. Then click the Eagle server to configure. So device must be powered on, so let's on the device. So it's already on. Then configure the IP address is subnet mask, then default gateway, then go to the config to enable the HTTP and the DNS. Then make the domain name. The IP address of the Eagle server is this. Then click add. Then close. PC1E has lost its IP address information. Configure the following settings: IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and the DNS server. Connect PC1E to the, so let's connect and use the copper strip. Connect PC1E to the IS1 central as Ethernet 0/1, and then configure. So click the config. server. The DNS server is 192. Then configure the IP address of PC1E is 'Then the default gateway. Then close. Verify your work using feedback from the check result button and the assessment item stop. So as you can see, the completion rate is 100%. And let's check the results. So it says that it's completed. And then the assessment items is it's all checked. And the connectivity pins. Then test connectivity in real time by using add sample PDU to test connectivity between PC1A and the Eagle server. So let's click this and between PC1A and the Eagle server. PC1A and the Eagle server. So it's failed. And let's click the fire 2 times. Note that when you add a sample video, Task 2. Explore how DNS, UDP, HTTP, and TCP work together. Switch from real-time to simulation mode. So let's switch the real-time to simulation. Then make sure event filter is set to display. So this is the event filter. Let's display ICMP, TCP, UDP, HTTP, and DNS. Then open a web browser from the desktop of 1A. So let's click the 1A and click the web browser. Then type the Eagle server. Example.com. Then press enter, and then use the capture forward button in the event list to capture the interaction of DNS, UDP, HTTP, and TCP. So let's capture. So let's click the capture forward. It's running. So it's successful now. Then click to capture the. You can examine the packet in two ways: by clicking the packet envelope as displayed in the animation, or by clicking on the info column for that packet instance as it listed in the event list. So let's click this. Let's click this. So this is the video information of PC1A. Source is 1A, destination a Go server. Inbound video details. And let's also click this is one central. So this is the video information of the S1 Central. The source is 1A, destination 192.168.254.254. Inbound video details. Video formats. This DNS header. Outbound video details. Video formats. So that's all.